66 hot dogs, 10 minutes, one man live on TV on the 4th of July in front of millions of Americans. Joy Chestnut just won again. This is his 18th title of Nathan's Hot Dog 18 contest. 18 wins. Nobody in this sports comes close. This man is a legend. But here's something crazy. 66 hot dogs was not even his best number. His own world record is 76 hot dogs. He said that back in 2021. So even winning big this year, he was still far from his own personal bets. Now let's talk about the women's side. Miki Sudo ate 38 and three-quarter hot dogs. That was enough to win her fifth title in a row and her 12th title overall. She's a quietly building her own legend too, and a lot of people don't even realize it. So, how are these two so far ahead of everyone else on that stage? Is any other eater even close to catching them? Stay with this. The number gets even more shocking. Men's leaderboard last 5 years. Let's look the number closely. This year, Chestnut ate 68 hot dogs. Last year, he ate even more 70 and a half. But it doesn't matter how many, he still wins every single time. Here's the proof of how far ahead he is back. Back in 2024, Chestnut did not even compete, and the winner that year, Patrick Petroliti, only managed 58 hot dogs. That's a huge drop. It shows the real gap between Chestnut and everyone else. He is not just better, he is in his own league completely. Women's leaderboard last 5 years, Miki Sudo's number go up and down every years. 42, then 39 and a half. Then a huge 51 in a 2024, which is still her personal world record. But one thing never changes. She always wins. 5 wins in a row now. 12 wins total in her career, and at this point nobody even bets against her anymore. That's how the dominant she has become in this sport. Two champions, two winning streaks. Same stage, every single 4th of July. The real question now is this: will anyone ever actually beat them? If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit subscribe. We bring you America's biggest stories every single day.